Welcome to yet another DIY video on this channel. Recently while browsing Pinterest, I stumbled upon an incredible tissue paper lampshade. Simple yet stunning. I couldn't resist trying it out myself. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create your own tissue paper lampshade. So let's get started. I gathered some old magazine pages. Now let's roll them. Cut them to desired size. I used black acrylic color to paint them. After the paint dried, I added some vibrant design using various colors to make them look even more interesting. Like this, I made 12 paper rolls. See how our splatter design turned out. Isn't it looking cool? Now jumping to second part of this lampshade, I collected some beautiful ferns from our garden. I dried some of them and some I am using fresh. This will give natural touch to our lampshade. Next, I stretched kitchen plastic wrap on a flat surface and secured it in place. For the glue solution, I mix water and glue in a plate. Then I sprayed water onto the plastic wrap. I tore some tissue paper, dipped it in glue solution and applied it to the plastic. To make lampshade little interesting, I applied watercolor on them. Place the ferns and other grasses onto the tissue paper. Then cover them with tissue paper. For second paper, I cut square tissue paper. And also I kept it thin and didn't apply any color on it. After letting it dry for a day, here's how it turned out. Carefully remove it. This is how the colored paper look. Now let's assemble our lampshade using glue gun. Next I mark and cut paper using scissor. Apply glue and stick from inside. This is how our lampshade turned out. Now it's time for the grand reveal. Let's place a light inside and see it come to life. The beautiful glow has transformed our creation into a stunning piece of decor. I think our paper has become little thick. Single layer of butter paper would have given better result. Still, I love its imperfection. It's truly one of a kind. What do you think? Is it worth making? Do let me know in the comments. Your opinion matters to me and I am open to any suggestions and advice. That's a wrap for today guys. Hit that like button in 2024 style. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friend and I will see you next time. Till then, be creative and keep creating. Peace.